Okay guys, we are back to test this, how it goes and outside in a real world. Just connected the water supply, connected to the power, and now we're going to give some water. We are hearing now he's filling his tank inside. Okay, we have the on-off switch. I will going to open it. You hear the sound. Just change the nozzle. Let's see with this how it goes. Guys, that was all. We'll just take an opinion how clean it can be. You see the changing of the color of the marble. This is 1 year of dirty, and the tiles did make very difference. You can see it again in the marble. See how it goes. Well guys, that was all. It was the testing and review of this bad boy. It's very good. It's only 99 euros from Lidl. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my channel, it's your choice. But please hit the notification bell because more videos it will come. Have a nice day. Bye bye.